ॲग्रो-कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी ऑक्युपेशन्स शेतीपूरक व्यवसाय. त्यातला पहिला व्यवसाय ॲनिमल हजबंड्री. Visit a modern cowshed nearby and record the following points. The number of cattle, their variety, total milk production, cleanliness in cattle shed, arrangements of health care of cattle. In India, animal husbandry is practiced for milk production and for using the cattle as help in farming operations. Example, cows and buffaloes. Cows म्हणजे गाई, buffaloes म्हैस are raised for milk and bulls and male buffaloes. बैल आणि रेडा फॉर पुलिंग द हेवी लोड्स. पुलिंग म्हणजे ओढणे, जास्त वजन वाहतूक करण्यासाठी याचा वापर केला जातो. लोकल इंडियन व्हरायटीज ऑफ काउज लाईक साहिवाल, सिंधी, गीर, लाल कंदारी, देवणी, खिल्लारी, डांगी, etc. and exotic varieties like Jersey, Brown Swiss, Holstein, आपण त्याला होस्टन म्हणतात, etc. are kept for their milk. Proper care of cattle is necessary for a clean and high yield of milk. A balanced diet, that is, which includes all constituents of food, should be given to cattle. It must include fiber-rich coarse food, fodder, and sufficient water. The cattle shed should be clean and dry with proper ventilation and a roof. The cattle shed should be clean and dry with proper ventilation and a roof. Cattle should be regularly vaccinated. Vaccine means lusters. What is meant by white revolution? White means Shwet. Revolution means Kranti. Who was its pioneer? What benefits did it bring? Collect more information about animal husbandry. Find out from the internet the average dairy milk yield from local and exotic varieties of cows.